So I have a Parker 2320 pilot house boat. I got an 84-inch rhodan. We're going to see how long it takes this rhodan to correct the position of the boat and set up autopilot. I'm going to go right now. Right now we're pointed the wrong direction. So let's see how long it takes for this trolling motor to reset us in the proper direction and put us on anchor in about 15-mile-an-hour winds. We're slowly turning. This is a big ass boat, catches a lot of wind. Just about there right now. Here we are on anchor. This is one hell of a unit from Rhodan, based out of Florida. And it's got this boat turned around and set on anchor in less than a minute. And 15-mile-an-hour winds coming my direction. You can see it blowing across the top of the water there. Super impressed.